When I found out how simple it was to make a gnome ornament, I knew I had to make a few for my Christmas tree. I used pink felt, white yarn, wooden beads, scissors, and my glue gun. Take one end of the yarn and begin wrapping it loosely around the palm of your hand about 50 times. Cut a strand and secure it around the top layer of the wrapped yarn. Tie the strand into a tight knot. Cut the loop and set it aside for now. I used a free gnome hat pattern from Single Girls DIY and cut out my hat from pink felt. Wrap the felt into a cone shape using a wooden dowel or pencil to help guide the felt around, leaving a small opening at the cone's tip, and glue the edges together. Weave the ends under the knot on the gnome and tie a strong knot at the bottom. Pull the looped ends of the twine through the hole at the top of the hat. Glue one wooden bead to the bottom edge of the hat for a nose. Add to your tree and this craft is complete. These are great because they can be made to suit any color scheme. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.